delegation with college representatives from all the colleges, but we were not allowed to meet the VC. Police हाडून दवरलेले, आमकां मारला हेजे गळ्यार दवरले. I was pushed, I was thrown, and what else is left? आमकां VC मेळपाक सुद्दां दिवना. There is police, there is misuse of government machinery done by the government because he doesn't want open elections. He does not want to scrap the election. He himself, Parrikar, 5-6 days before, he had called a meeting of all the UFRs, and there is clear evidence of political involvement. I was demanding from 3 years. We were demanding from 3 months for an open election. Now it is very evident because I have been taking press statements and everything becomes a proof that there is political involvement. The CM of the state is involved in the student elections. Ani democracy uruna. Democracy is finished. This is the end of democracy. The VC, when he called 10 of us inside, we went with the guardians. He told us to get out. See, the issue is we were demanding for open elections. Open elections because there is political interference. There is kidnapping of students. All these issues have to be heard. These issues have to be heard. There are student attacks taking place because of such things. And Parrikar calling himself inside, calling the UFR in the secretariat shows that there is government machinery used. So this is very wrong. The VC is also not ready to meet. So whom do we go to? With all the issues, whom do we go to?
Present for a meeting.
Every student organization, every, from NSUI to NSC to CYSS to ABVP, which is mostly fighting with the NSUI, has also boycotted. So there is no student organization that is participated. There is only political party that is participated, which is Bharatiya Janata Party. That is the only party that has participated. This means that in the election process, neither of the student organizations even believe in the system. They have boycotted, totally boycotted, and they've won unopposed and with the BJP flag itself. So this is the end of democracy. Whatever is happening, there is dictatorship taking place, and there has been appointment system, and there is no democracy left in this country, in this state.
What will be your future course of action?
Future steps you will come to know.
Today, future process
Future process you will come to know.
आम्ही बसतले आणि काय ते विचार करतले.
आता हो जो
We'll have a
VC आसा, तो VC आसा, आम्ही सगळे जाण आता भितर गेले. ओके, VC ही लायक आम्ही सगळे जाण गेले, आम्ही विथ गार्डियन्स गेले, तो म्हणटा आमकां गेट आउट म्हणटा. इज दिस द वे द VC शुड स्पीक? हे टॉलरेट जावचे ना. आमकां स्टुडंट्सांक जे कितें इश्यू आहात ते कोण सॉल्व करतलो? आफ्टर ऑल इज द VC. ही इज द VC ऑफ द गोवा युनिव्हर्सिटी. ही सेड ही स्टडीज फ्रॉम JNU. But he's behaving like this. It's not good. And no, JNU. And the BJP panel with all the office bearers like Sadanand Tanawde, Sharmat Raiturkar, Manohar Parrikar, and the ex-president of the Siddharth of the council, they have taken a meeting of all the students who in the secretariat office. Is that permissible? I'm asking, is that permissible? No. This is the end of democracy. The BJP has finished everything.
पण बेसिकली कितें आसा